What's up, guys? Welcome to your channel, Absolute Roadie. I'm Karan, and you also call me as friends. Guys, I'm here to take the delivery of the new cage which I've ordered for the DJI Osmo Action camera. Now, the one which I had, I was using the PG Vitec case, and I mean, it's been only two and a half months of usage, and the PG Vitec case has developed cracks. So it started cracking, and there's not been a very heavy use of it. I hardly, even open the cage to take the battery out. I usually charge my remaining two batteries in the battery docking station, and the one which I got with the Osmo Action kit, and this one I charged with the Sinova adapter itself. So it's been hardly 2 or 3 times that the cage would have been opened to take out the battery. So I don't think that might be the issue, but whatever the case may be, the PG Vitec case, now that's a plastic case, most likely a ABS case, that's cracked. It can still hold the camera, I can still use it, but it started to crack up and I don't want it to, break all of a sudden. So what I've done is I've ordered the small rig aluminum metal case. I've read quite a few good reviews about it, and that's why I've ordered it. Right now I'm enjoying my local leave, so not at work. So it's been delivered at work, and I thought of utilizing my time and getting the delivery picked up. So I'm riding to work to pick it up. What I'll do is I'll pick it up, I'll install it, I'll use it, and I'll share a review again on how I find it. Also, I've ordered one more gadget. That's the one which can hold the action camera, as well as it claims that it can even take 2 kgs of load and even hold a DSLR camera, which I can mount on it, and it's a quick fix and release on, maybe on your handlebar of the bike or on the CC bar. So I have experimented with it. I've just bought it so that I can use it for Osmo Action camera, but I'll try and see if I can use the DSLR as well. Let me see how it holds up, whether it can take up the entire weight of the Osmo Action camera or not. So let's see. But that would be only for very limited use when I'm riding the bike slowly, or the other use can be that I can park it in my car. I can fix it to the door handle, or to somewhere else on the seat, and then probably can take use it for vlogging or shoot other vehicles. So let's see how we best put to use. But right now I'm going to go ahead and collect the delivery of both these items. One is the small rig aluminum case, and the other one is the the quick mount release for action cameras, including DSLRs, as it claims it can take up to 2 kgs of weight load. So let's see, guys. See you shortly. Bye. So here we are. That's my office building. We'll try to pick it up as soon as possible. on. So ये अब हम आ गए हैं पार्किंग में. Now let's try and find out a nice parking. Usually, last year same time this area used to be packed. Parking नहीं मिलती थी यहाँ पे. Now because of COVID, limited staff are coming to work. So you can find ample parking spaces available over here. Alright guys, so let's go to Harley Davidson Dubai, जहाँ पे हम इनकी करेंगे unboxing and we'll try and install the cage on my DJI Osmo Action camera and I hope this time it works out well. At least it's aluminium. I don't think it is going to crack like the PG Vitic has cracked. So let's go to Dubai Harley Davidson and then we'll open it up and see what happens next.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Shall we begin?
So guys, here we are, Harley Davidson Dubai.
Shall we begin?
Look at the lineup, guys. मजा आता है यहाँ के. Okay, again in Hindi, what I said was I really love coming
Let's
over
begin
here.
now.
This one's the backyard and the entry for the service center for bikes and for people like us. The good people, they go from the front gate. People like us go from the back gate. Correct? But not today. Today we are good people. So we will go from the front gate. And the usual custom, whenever I park my bike, I have a habit of looking it back. All good? Let's go. Sorry, I forgot to take my 2 items. इसकी unboxing करनी है, उसको तो ले लें. Okay. Again, what I said was, I think I'll get tired of translating in English and Hindi. Done guys, we are at the dealership. यहाँ बैठेंगे और स्मॉल रिग केस की अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे. This is paid parking. where I parked is free parking. Let's go in.
Shall we begin? Let's begin.
So that's my corner. These green stripes are for people to maintain safe distance and not to sit here. So एक काम करते हैं, I'll just take a small break, say hi to everyone, have a glass of water, and then do the unboxing. Okay guys, catch you in some time.
Welcome back, guys. I am at the Harley-Davidson Dubai dealership and I'm here to do the unboxing of the small rig aluminum cage for my DJI Osmo Action camera. I also have with me a quick release mount for action cameras, and it also claims it can take up to 2 kgs of weight, so you can even mount a DSLR on it. Now we'll talk about it later, but right now we'll unbox the small rig aluminum cage, and that's because the PG Vitek cage for the Osmo Action camera has not worked well. It has developed cracks and it's broken. It's in fact broken from the knob or the hook, you know, the GoPro mount. That has one of those mount has cracked, so it is now very risky to use it or, you know, to install my camera on it, on my helmet. So we'll try the new small rig cage and we will test it in today's evening ride itself. Alright, so let's check it out, guys. So you see, guys, it's all cracked up. It's getting all ripped apart. So guys, here you see the mount which is cracked. That's gone. Guys, I would like to share with you my storage compartment for DJI Osmo Action camera. Now, this is a case for my old shades. On one side I place the batteries for the Osmo Action camera, and on the other side I place the action camera. Now I'll place the PG Vitek old case. Now that's broken, it's shattered, it's cracked up from the edges as I've shown you earlier. So that goes in like this, and you can zip lock it, and that's a small nice compartment. But now this place will be taken by the new small rig aluminum cage, which I have recently installed. Guys, since we are at the Harley-Davidson showroom, I will give you a quick sneak peek of the Harley-Davidson Breakout 2020 model. Now this is in one of the most beautiful colors that I have seen in a long time. So let's go, guys. Here it is, guys. Look at the color, man. This looks really sick. It's got a 114 cubic inch engine. That's the Harley-Davidson Breakout, and it's currently priced to sell at 119,395 dirhams. Look at the beauty. The stripes on it really makes it stand out, and the chrome on it, I mean, it's one of the most classic cruiser that I've ever been on. Really nice, and that's the entire lineup of the other Harley-Davidson 2020 models. Awesome, guys. Really nice. And here's another one. That's also amazing paint job on the breakout. That's also a 114. Really nice. Alright guys, so if you're still with me, do like and subscribe the channel before we go on our final ride. See you guys.
So guys, this is the setup. I hope my audio is loud and clear. Let me try and see if I can extend my mic wire to it. If that happens, then that's great. So let's see. And here's some music to your ears, guys.